Ooh. Ooh. Happy Halloween, everyone. That was lame. This is Cyrus here with my good pal, the creature from The Creature Walks Among Us. Not the original, but this is a nice head that I got a long time ago. And in honor of Halloween, I'm going to show you how to create a cool Halloween inspired spooky backdrop for your Zoom meetings. And I'm going to show you a couple ways to do that. What we're going to do is take a GIF file and use that as a backdrop. But before we can use it, we need to convert it to an MP4 so that then we can upload it to Zoom. So I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is pretty easy. It's this website, Giphy or Jiffy.com/backdrop. And I'll put that in the description of the video. And here you're going to just click on this Choose Starter button. And then what you can do is there's a nice backdrop, but you have to kind of click this Load More a few times to find it. Okay, there it is there. So I think this one's pretty spooky. It's just these eyes blinking. Okay, so that's loaded up, and this is going to be behind me in my Zoom meeting, but this is a little bit too plain, so I'm going to add these stickers here. So if you click in this search stickers, you can search for different things. I'm going to just type the word scary, and then you get all of these little stickers you can add to your backdrop. I particularly like this spider, so I'm going to click on the spider, and you'll see it pop up on the background here, and it's kind of lame right now, but if you hover your mouse over it and drag the edge, you can make it big, and now you can move it over, and now it looks like a big spider is going to be crawling behind you in the Zoom meeting. There's some other cool stickers, Halloween themed ones. I like this one too, so I'll just put that in the corner. And you can search for whatever ones you want to kind of spice up this background here. And when you're ready, once you've kind of got your background nice, you can click on this continue to download. And then it's going to download to your computer as an MP4, which is really easy. So the other method I like to do is just to go to the regular Giphy website here. And what you can do is just search for any GIF that you want and make a background from it. So I'm going to search for blood, and that's where you can find different spooky blood GIFs. And again, you kind of want to pick one that is going to be not too offensive depending on your work situation. You don't want to really freak people out unless, you're in some job that you hate. Maybe that's a good thing. But here you go. Here's a cool one. If I hit copy link, I can copy this link here. And then what you're going to do is go to this website called easygif.com. And there's a number of these websites. You don't have to go to this one, but you just want to go to a website that'll transform a GIF to an MP4 video file. And once we're on this website, it's not too obvious, but I usually click on video to GIF, even though that's the wrong thing. And then GIF to MP4. And then here is where it's going to convert it for you. So you have two choices. I'll try this paste. I haven't had too much success this way, but I'll try that. Paste it in and click upload, see if it works. It does. That's great. So now we can click on this convert GIF to MP4 button. And then if you scroll down, there's the output there. This is the video of that GIF. And what I always do, I'm not sure if it's totally necessary, but I click on resize. And then I enter a new width and a new height. And the ones that Zoom recommends for height is 1080 and width is 1920. And then I click on resize video, and there it is showing up below. So once that's resized, we are going to click this little save button here, and that downloads it. You'll see on my computer there. It's and if I reveal it in my Finder, it's called easygift.com, and it's got a bunch of stuff there. So you just want to make a note of the name of it. Once you have that .mp4 downloaded on your computer, you can then upload it into Zoom. So to do that, let's open up Zoom here, and you're going to click on the little settings, and then here on the left you can click on virtual background, and you'll see I've already got it uploaded. But basically, to upload a video background, you just click on this little plus, and then you can use add video, and then you just browse for the file on your computer. It's really easy. And then I've got a couple here. So this is that blood background, which is totally cool for Halloween. And then here's the other one I made. This is that virtual background, and there's actually a knife stabbing me in the shoulder there. I don't know. And the spider, I've got a little kind of ghouly creature over here and a dancing skeleton. So you can kind of have fun with these. And then of course, nothing more horrifying than this infinite cat loop. I really like this too. So, you know, have some fun with it. It's just a stupid thing you can do in your Zoom meetings. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Woo!